Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka nongyalam jong National People's Party ka kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ka palong ru ka menteri jong sorkar jela kalapan pau ya ka jing small scam baga NPP kan job ya ka election ka Mansalong ha Sohïong constituency ha ka shipoteri ku jemang arjar arfulai ha ka jing ya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ka kong Ampareen kalaong baga NPP kan satray shutam ban yo ya ka jing job ha Sohïong constituency ka NPP kalapan yang kertong dau MLA Barim uba Samlin Malnyang ubalami no naga Hill State People's Democratic Party ban penyeso bat ka NPP shuaban long ka election jit nong mikmat syaka yang darbar tauan mentau senam arjar arfulai kabadang syudep long shen hau benai rempang.
Election Commission has deemed it fit to conduct the by-election of Sohïong constituency in the state of Meghalaya at the earliest within this 6-month period, and we are happy that this announcement has come now because we need to complete the electoral procedures and processes. Whether or not Sohïong election will impact on government or strength or weakness of the government is to be seen. But as things are as of today, candidates have all filed their nominations, and it is expected that only the incumbent party who lost their candidate will field a new candidate in that election. I do not foresee that that result will impact negatively on the strength of this government, because this government is a coalition, a continuation of NDA 2.0 now. Elections are elections. Every political party who has filed a nomination will take it seriously, will fight to the hilt. But because we are now partners in government, we expect these elections not to be as lethal as the elections of the general election that just concluded. I, on behalf of my own party, feel that we will work very hard. We will try to retain the seat of the sitting MLA. It was the NPP seat. And it should not be a very complicated matter, because the candidate in its original position belongs to the NPP, and we will try our best to retain that one seat. We anticipate will be in operation, but we will still try our best, and we will fight to the best of our capacities and capabilities to retain the seat. We don't know how much of that sympathy will pan out in the election, but we are going with a focused determination to retain the seat.